Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ndhlovu. It's been a minute. Oh my goodness, I've missed you guys. I really missed being here and creating with you guys. And yeah, so you've been away. So I've been working on an exciting project, reality TV show, big one across Africa. But also it has been like tiring because yeah, the schedule was crazy and it was taking so much of my time, my sleep. Yeah, I had to work like a sunrise shift, morning shift, evening shift, and whatnot. Yeah, but I'm back. I'm back. Welcome to the new subs. Oh, thank you. Somebody told me that, hey, I'm a new sub, and I just want to let you know that I'm here. Really like that. I really enjoy that, and also this community. I think I love this community. You guys were checking on me. Come on, you guys were checking on me and asking, "Oh, why are you so quiet and whatnot?" Thank you. Really appreciated that. But yeah, I'm back, man. I'm back. I've been, yeah, it's been a tough season. I think this is one of the toughest seasons, not just from the show, just life as well. Um, Lots happening. But yeah, I'm grateful to be back and grateful for family, grateful for friends. Uh, yeah, sure. Also grateful for the Word of God. Yeah, such great spoils to keep life together through all seasons, tough, good ones, and whatnot. But I'm so excited to be back, and I'm in the kitchen. You know what that means. We are cooking today, but we might catch up. I think I'll try and do a vlog. But I'm not promising, but I will try. I will try like do a vlog for you guys so that we catch up a bit. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a stir fry today. So this is a plan. So I'm gonna do like a lot of veggie meals so that next year we're not under pressure. I know Jen, everybody's sort of fasting, done your fast and whatnot. So I'm gonna try and cater for that now, so that we're not under pressure next year. We're taking it easy and whatnot, and also we're gonna continue with the conversation that we started before I disappeared. Yeah, we're going to continue with those conversations. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. Yeah, we're going to grow together, and we're going to be healthy together. Okay, I know I've not been around, and I can talk until tomorrow because I've missed you guys. I've missed this platform. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, and here are my ingredients. I have monstered peas, I have mushroom, onion, coconut oil, carrot, garlic, broccoli, I've got peas, I've got the peppers, and I have the baby corn, and I have the baby marrow. And I'm going to be using those spices for seasoning in this one, and that's it. Okay, cool, let's get started. cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I hope it will be easy to make. Yeah, and also please let me know on the comment section down below. What did you miss? What did you miss? Did you miss the food, the conversation, or you just missed Yonga? Don't be shy. Tell us what you missed while I was away, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Yeah, and that you get to rest. Those who've been working throughout the week, that you get to rest, you get to spend time with family, your friends, and lots of good things in between. And for me, I'll see you guys soon.